So, as we all know that the Gitanjali was written by Rabindranath Tagore and it was later translated by the great Irish poet William Butler Yeats. So, when he was translating the Gitanjali into English, there's a beautiful song he came across which was written in Bangla, composed of course by none other than Rabindranath Tagore, and it fascinated him. The song was, okay, first I'll sing the English one, which was translated, and then I'll sing the actual one. Thine is all the beginning, mine also the ending. Thine is all the beginning, mine also the ending. You and I both mingling like the streams ever flowing. তোমার হলো শুরু, আমার হলো সারা। তোমায় আমায় মিলে এমনি বহে ধারা। তোমার হলো শুরু, আমার হলো সারা।